Hi, this is Dina Kohler, and I will briefly touch on the key concepts and skills needed in classroom supervision. On the following slide, I have listed 5 of the 7 skills needed by a supervisor to perform classroom evaluations. As you can see by the first skill, building trust and positive communication is essential. We recognize in the chapter reading that communication is such an important component to building that trust. Being able to explain what the evaluation will look like, what expectations the teacher should have, time frame, date, all the information needed for that teacher to feel like they've been informed on the evaluation process will ensure a good learning process for both the supervisor and the teacher. You can also take note that collecting data is very important in this process, and using that data to grow and progress as a teacher is essential. The final 2 skills are listed on this slide. And as mentioned before, using that data to conference, to meet together, and to foster a professional learning community is very essential, where a teacher can feel like they can go to their colleagues to progress and to learn. These 4 steps reflect that supervision has been done well. Fostering school-wide learning, as I already mentioned, is essential. Creating collaboration is an important part, an important result of what happens in that supervision and evaluation. And then reflection and continuous growth. Communication is so vital through this process and necessary, and ensures that growth can happen as supervision is performed.